When you're looking for pumps for your pond, you'll run across a term that can be a wee bit confusing: all-in-one. So what exactly is an all-in-one pump system? This PM2600 all-in-one complete pond filter system from PondMAX is a great example of a quality all-in-one solution. Most pumps have a block filter on the intake end and that's about it. Anything more extensive than that and it needs to be joined into the system, things like multi-stage filtration, and that's the difference with an all-in-one system. All of that is built in right here. Let's have a look inside. Take the cover screen off and the first thing you'll find is a large filter sheet. This captures solids from the water as it passes through. It'll also develop a population of good bacteria that help to clear water by feeding on nutrients. Lift that off and you're into the business part of the pump. These 3 biocassettes contain materials that are designed specifically to create homes for beneficial bacteria to help naturally clear the water. This cylinder is where the real magic happens. It's the ultraviolet clarifying unit. Water is passed through here before it leaves and the UV light destroys any cells of algae. They're the main villains for clouding water. Then this is the pump unit itself, drawing water in and discharging it back out through the top, crystal clear and clean. With a maximum output of 2200 litres per hour, the PM2600 from PondMAX is the no-fuss, smart and simple solution for ponds of up to 4000 litres. All-in-one pump systems. They're the one-box plug-and-play way to having perfect pond water. For more information, visit pondmax.com.au.